Nelly got scared because there was some bird in the bush. How you gonna be scared of a bird in the bush?
Oh man,
I'm scared of the bird in the bush.
yo, it was 2 birds in the bushes and they was hopping one after the other, so it sounded like feet. And she's like, hey bruh,
Cut the music. Hey, stop.
she said, you got your tool on you?
Yeah,
You got your
because where it's
tool on
at.
you? I was like, yeah. She's like, okay, I think it's some people over there.
Wait, what you finna
Over there.
Because I ain't had mine on me. I done forgot.
So I
it.
go searching. I'm looking through the bushes and I'm like, that's birds. That's birds. But you gotta be like that because
where we at? So, you know, I'm hearing literally because it's 2 birds and it sounds like footsteps and I'm like, no. No.
And it sound like methodical, like you look over there and they stop. Like,
Yeah.